There's a hadith which is mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of fasting, hadith number 1960, where the beloved Prophet Muhammad, he tells the people of Ansar, he sends a messenger and tells them to inform that those who are fasting, they should continue fasting. Those who are not fasting should fast till the end of the day. And after that, the people, the Sahaabah, they said, we fasted, and we even asked our children to fast, and we took them to the masajids. And if they cried, we gave them toys of wool, so that to keep themselves busy till the time of iftar. That means this is how the Sahabas, they encouraged the children to fast at an early age, though it was not compulsory. And this is a good habit. But many a time that we see nowadays, that many of the parents, they discourage the children from fasting. Even if the child is enthusiastic and says, I want to fast, many parents say, at this young age, it's not required, don't fast. They fail to realize that fasting at a young age will not cause them any harm. In fact, it will give them a training to fast when they reach puberty.